So this morning I am saying to the minister who is in charge of roads, please get your officers to correct what is here, because we cannot go back to Prime Minister, we cannot go back to Minister Clark, and what the Prime Minister is doing for the town centre, where are those people going to drive on? They will have no roads. So then we need to have it corrected.
I'll definitely tell the Prime Minister, but I want to assure you that we're out here, we have seen the damage. I'm really happy for the advocacy that you have done for the people of St. Thomas, and we are definitely going to do what is necessary to ensure that the road is repaired properly. They're going to have to dig up everything and relay it at no cost to the government and the people of Jamaica. God bless you, Custis, and take care.
So this is what happens after all those. Welcome my viewers and subscribers. Sunday, August 11, 2024. So I'm out by Pamphret area, or the Jamintel stretch in St. Thomas, where actually the roadway, the new highway, the new road improvement giving a little problem. And the problem is it is mashing up back already. Actually, just some sections of it really mashing up back already. And right now, where I'm standing, I think you can see some brake marks, some drag mark, because what happened, because of this section of the road mashing up, they actually put some cones and some caution barrier there. But people come in and don't see those things, so they actually go into them. You can see debris, you can see that they're actually mashing up, right? So this is a section of the road in St. Thomas that recently did it. So I'm gonna go up and show you the condition of the road. Actually, they're out now, today Sunday, trying to see if they can actually sort out the problem that the residents are facing. And so see it, you can see the we're actually mashing up. So it's about 1.6 kilometer stretch of road, but it's not everywhere you're gonna see damage, right? But it is within that boundary. And I don't know, because coming from Mark Bay to right here, you might have some areas that giving way also. But just a small fraction, just like I would say a meter, and it's about 6 different places out there with that problem. Right? So the material that they use for the base out here is not of the quality that they should use, right? Because out here is a technical area, because this section is like some water thing. And people coming in, I'm not in the road still. But they use a black, I don't know what to call it. They put the black thing like on the road and put the material on it. They were saying that should stop it from sliding or something like that. Right? But the poor quality material that they use on this section is why it is like this. Right? And you cannot blame too much the contractor or whosoever, because they test certain areas, and after testing it, they find that this section is good. So they dig this section and use the material. They never test the other section, so probably that is the reason why not testing the material, why they have faulty materials. Yes. So I'm here now, out. Hold on.
I stretch one take up Mr. Andy. Will I stretch? I will stretch one take up Mr. Andy. It's a robbery. All of them figure prison. Prison they figure. I'm not sorry for them. I don't do none of work. A prison they figure.
Can you imagine if you're driving a 14 parish in Jamaica, you know, St. Thomas have the worst road in Jamaica. Remember one time, Colonel Charles said, St. Thomas have the worst road in Jamaica. You understand, this is a waste taxpayer money. the material they put on it is very thin. You understand? And you can't have a thin material I put on the road. You understand? They need to do the road properly. Watch out now. They might use a 100-pound roller to roll the road and a 200-ton truck I drive on it. Or you feel have a good road. You see them are idiot. Eh? A waste taxpayer money this to put the congestion on the road. Me see the foreigner, I talk to them, you know. I talk to the man them on the corner, but to me I'm a regular man. Then I listen to me. They need to come out and look on it. If there's an election, they come fix it.
Who come out?
And join friend, they need to come fix it. If either election in the reach up a long time, this is a fixed long time. Waste taxpayer money.
Well, actually, them start the work.
They start what?
They
Start what? Start what? I set up people in this. You can't send them as road. It shouldn't answer. All the road, if you drive from St. James, go to Port Anthony, I want the best regular road that. You understand? If you drive from St. Catherine to Westmoreland, one of the best road that. How long this fix now? This fix must be that in my year and the condition of the road. It's very thin. The material upon it very thin. You understand? Them a waste of time, man.
We need to go.
Waste of time. You understand? They don't see the waste of time, it's a waste taxpayer money. You understand? Me see St. Elizabeth mash up in the hurricane. Right? One YouTuber left from Portland, Colored Smith, left from Portland, buy over zinc, and got St. Elizabeth. Got St. Elizabeth go issue out. That no one set of politician go down there, go give them, let him a bottle of water. He left here now and he gonna St. Vincent to help the people of St. Vincent. You understand? And nobody talk about that. Colored TV. What you mean? From Portland, the youth from Portland. Go St. Elizabeth. You understand? He short zinc and food and thing. You might get a little thing, yes, to help. But not much weight with them are give him. And nobody left from nowhere. I go get them. I must see one entertainer they must go down there. What's your name? I don't remember what's your name. Sensia.
So I'm going to continue. See if I can walk and show you all the areas. The 1.6 kilometer that is actually damaging. Because if you look right here, you can see that right here, it is good in good condition. But further up, you have faulty spot. Right? And I am saying this to you now. There won't be a road fixing or making and you have it perfect right through. You must gonna have sections that is gonna be faulty. But it's the duty of who in charge to come and test it and see that it is faulty and start damage and actually start the repair work same time. Don't let it get out of hand. Because what happened here is they allow this to get out of hand. Right? Because after seeing that certain areas lifting up, are swelling, are breaking up, what they should have done is to just come same time and deal with it. Don't wait until it gets like this. Because this is the problem right now. It is like this. And so the Costas came out and speak about this. Then Mr. Morgan, Mr. Shaw came out after the other day and toured the section. And now we have China Harbour check out here trying to see if they can sort out this section of the road. Right, so I'm just showing you what's taking place right now. Yeah, so you can see that they're up there doing some work right now. They're actually digging up back the material, the faulty material. So they're going to replace that faulty material with proper material, I guess. I'm not sure if it is the same material they used from Morant Bay to the Greenwall section, but that section stand up. Only this section actually is like this. They have other sections that actually breaking up also, but not so much as in this area. So we were here getting it when it was faulty and while the company was out. So now that they start doing something, that will be here again, getting this to show you that they actually come out again and start doing some work to solve the problem. So we are here now, getting this update to give to you. And remember, drivers, please, this is a construction zone. And most of us know that the road is bad out here and something reduced to single lane. And at the same time, we are still driving at high speed out here. So this is Sunday, 11th of August. Basically, you can see that they're outside now, trying to see if they can get this started out as soon as possible. Right? So they're driving fast, look at them. So they're driving fast though. And then no other single lane out here. And then just keep rushing. Why? Right? I'm gonna see if I can go down some more and show you what section that is damaged. Because it's not only this section of the road, it's actually damaged. Let me walk on this side because I don't want to walk in the road. So let me walk in this section right now. Nothing. Mayor of St. Thomas actually came out and spoke about this bad road. So the customers came out and now they're here getting it done again for people of St. Thomas and for Jamaica.
Orlando. Yeah, man. We live here some man, but at least we're glad I don't know about the road still. But I believe it needs something else than that, on the mud of the system. Clear mud and I so you know, so when the water touch it, it's a pulp over then. Yeah. So I guess I'm gonna put something up on it. See, I guess I think drain's supposed to make over that side, don't it? Yeah, and the drain has started, so I would like to see it still. Because the water they mash up at the road, you see. Yeah, the water mash up the road, man, because the drain no make it. And I see culvert them that them all full up on it someday. So when them block them out, so at that time water all up on the road more. Yeah.
I'm Everton Williams from Pamphret here, right at my own farm here. I'm here for 40 years. And surprisingly, we had a road here that was giving such a stress and animosity on us. And what happened? It came along here on Friday, and all was told, and I was so surprised. I mean, a matter of fact, I'm enthused to see that yesterday morning, work started right here. And as you can see, equipment is right here. Even since morning they were here working. As I said, I'm enthused, and I only hope this type of
enthusiastic move will be improved continuously, and let us feel happy about this.
Alright, let me see if I can show the barber green, the asphalt. Alright, you can see, well, actually it's compact, right? So it's about say 2 inches right now. After it compact or certain part my higher, you can see. And so the content down more for you to see some more sections that is faulty also. And so along this stretch of road, we have areas that breaking up. And let me see if I can show you. This is not really marl. You can see it's kind of a dirt material, but they use the same material in other areas and it stand up. So I don't know why this side is like this. Once a man try fast see and then know say out here so it's a single lane at times. Alright, and see look on that. You see that? You see? It's what I talk about? Eh? Them know and them still keep the arms out. They're not business, can see what I'm well. Right? But them see the corner and everything. Not because your side might be clear. A man might be coming like a madman and come on your side. These guys are crazy on the road, man. Anyway, I'm going down some more for you to see more of the spot that they're actually going to come back and repair right now. I remember they said that it's approximately 1.6 kilometer and 1.6 kilometer stretch. That don't mean the entire 1.6 kilometer is faulty, right? It's just section of it. Just some sections of it are like that. And I'm telling you, you see, drivers, make we use with Edna, man. Make we use with Edna. Alright. You see, you can see from a distance. You have cones, you have barrier out there, right? Yes, your side is your left hand side is clear, right? But you see other vehicle coming up and you look at this truck mark. Look. And it's still pushing out, right? Come on, man. Just take your time. Once you see the cone, them just reduce the speed, man. 30 kilometers per hour, the fastest. We should be going through it right here, right? So, I guess you can see the areas, all these areas faulty. And you know, it's basically the side to the sea because the other side stand up more than this side. So I'm going to yellow side, so I'm on the left hand side. But most of the damage is on the left hand side of the road, as you can see while I'm walking. You can see splinters all over the place. Like I just accident out here, so. Because the man them knows the road bad and no, the people them knows the road bad and them still come with high speed. Why? Come on, man. You're crazy. Right? So I'm just walking it this Sunday morning, showing you some of the areas that actually, look at this. And for those of you who might be wondering, I know St. Thomas, this is out by the Jamintel Stretch. You know where Jamintel was? Up there, so. Up in the bush there. Alright. So, I'm actually heading into Yellow's direction now. So this is exactly where it's actually happening. Alright. And if you look at this section right now, you can see that this section, no problem here, no fault here. No man, not easy, you know. Shit, but the road star. So you got still. So some people saying all type of things, but as I said earlier, you won't see a road complete perfectly. Right? There must be some faulty area. I'm not saying that it have to be so much, but you will see faulty areas because, as Mr. Morgan explained, it that you might test a section of where they getting the material from, and they do a random test. They don't test everywhere, right? They don't stick a pit. They don't use a needle and stick every single where to test, right? So they might test here and go to the next 10 meters or 50 meters and test, right? And you test the two end, but in the middle is a bad spot, and then you actually start digging now, and then you dig up the bad spot where you never test. So that now will have you getting some bad material to use, right? So that's how you go. Nobody's perfect, right? See, sometimes they make motor vehicle and they have to recall some of them because they're fault. Even the same medication that you're taking, sometimes you have to recall some of the medication that you're taking because they're faulty, right? So nothing is perfect. Nothing is perfect. But sometimes it's how you angle it, how you actually do it. Because as I said earlier, after realizing that the road is damaging, right? Then what they should have done is to come out as soon as possible and start the repair work before it gets out of hand and cause an accident and people complaining, right? So that is it. So on the road scene, we're walking in the Sunday morning, the 11th of August. I have to come and show you that they actually start repairing sections of the road that is actually mashing up back. That's where I'm coming from. Way up that side I'm coming from. Alright, viewers and subscribers. So I'm just gonna walk down some more and see how the rest of the road stay, because going down to Pamphret more to the hotel, because I look like on a hotel, they have a lot of places on that side also that damaging. So I'm gonna go down that side also. So outside, see the road? Alright, this side is okay, this side is alright. Right, so you can see what happened. It's not everywhere. Alright, it's not everywhere. But them soon get it, man. Them soon sort it out. China Harbour out there working now. Right, so it's just like if you pour some out on the road having a spot check, they're not gonna stop every vehicle. They're not gonna stop everybody. So the same thing with this testing of the material. They might test the material and don't test everywhere. Right? So that is it, man. So we have to understand sometimes, we're bashing, yes, but we have to understand sometimes, because it could be we doing this and we don't just watch this, man. It could be we doing this. Hey, hey, the whole day sick now. Foot sick, man, I'm sick on the road. Road sick, man. People them sick. Every man going at high speed. Yes, viewers and subscribers. So we out here outside again, getting the updates to give to you. You know, we're always on the ground getting updates to give. You understand? We were here Friday. No, it was Thursday when the clusters came, and then Friday when minister came. Now Sunday, China are out here doing some work, so we have to show that too. Right? So remember, if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe now so you can get all the updates, all the news, all the views, all the reviews whenever I put them out. Subscribe. It don't cost nothing for you to subscribe. Subscribe. Hit the post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Also, my viewers and my subscribers, I'm out again, getting updates to give to you. And you see, I'm out walking for you to get a better view, for you to see the road. Right? If I drive, you won't be able to see all of what I'm showing to you. Right? I'm outside walking it, showing it to you. Right? And people, remember, please keep your comment friendly. Don't get too overboard with your comment, please. And don't try and diss anybody, please. Everybody comment is important. Everyone comment is their own opinion. So I don't want to delete anybody, right? Because sometimes I delete some comment and people curse me. So I delete and comment. So keep it friendly so I don't have to delete them. Don't use certain words in them, please. I'm begging you. Yes, just like that. So I'm actually continuing to walk on this sunny morning. This is the road, my viewers and my subscribers. New road, but it's a broad enough. Next section, come over here now. You could have this a 4-lane, so alright, 3-lane, 4-lane. Yes. Anyway, continue my journey for you to see some more of the body road on that side. But right now, here so it's kind of alright. I'm not sure how long it is gonna stand up, but for now I can say it is good. But you will see more faulty areas as I continue to walk down. So all this road get wide. So if you understand and cooperate on the road, do the right thing, take our time on it, don't overspeed on it. I saw a wall over by White Horses, one of the stone wall. I think they need to check that stone wall. They need to go back and check that stone wall in White Horses. If I remember, I'm gonna stop and see if I can get a little view of it and show you. But I think some section of it breaking out already. Just coming from this side before we reach the deep corner, right there. If you're coming from this, yeah, it's just after you pass the deep corner coming to this side. All right, so this is a box culvert that they actually put in. So I'm out. Yes, viewers and subscribers. Walking it, showing it to you. People have a beach and river. So St. Thomas Road, today Sunday, the road busy people, you see? See St. Thomas Road is busy. Yeah, man. So people going into St. Thomas to enjoy themselves. And I'm sure most of the people that is going that side, they're not from St. Thomas, right? They're going into St. Thomas to enjoy themselves because they know the road pretty and fixed. So they might take time out to go there for the attractions. Yes, viewers and subscribers, we're out again, man. On the Sunday morning walk in the sun. I actually get up this morning and I decided that I'm going to come out here to show you what's taking place. Because I don't want you to say, boy, you know, so the road start fix and Clarity Boss just stay in here, not even come out and show, say, boy, road start fix, eh? That man no easy, you know, eh? You know, easy. When it mash up, he come show, say, mash up and everything, and now then start fix it, you know, come and straight with me. So if you come and straight with you, viewers and subscribers, man, we can't be so selfish, don't it? No, sir. That's not my style. My style is sharing with you, my viewers and my subscribers. So I'm still on the walk, still on the talk, going down for you to see. Man, you realize all this section, alright? So as I said, some areas perfect, some areas faulty. So we have to understand that we're not going to get everything perfect one time on this road. Alright, so continue the journey, man. Let's see a part down there so you can see from here so boldly. Anyway, that's where I'm going down that side. So we're out again, man. Getting this to give to you, my viewers and my subscribers. Walking make life easier. Yes, man. Exercise is good. Exercise is good. So we're out again. Getting it to give to you. Showing you the happenings right now. Setting up here on the right hand side over there where it's kind of getting up, and then we have this side over on the left hand side getting up, and down there so now we have like a bumpy part. I can see the car dance, look quite a dance. Let me see the one here now. Right down there, so right. Like a bad spot. Get here. All these areas, they're gonna come back and sort them out. So I'm just walking it on this 1.6 kilometer to show you the areas that they're really talking about. You know, just like to show you, give you the details, right? I don't want to hear about the 1.6 kilometer of road that is damaging, and then you run with it and believe it's all of it, all of the 1.6, a mash up and a break up and a one bad. No, that's going to take the time out and walk for you to see all the areas that actually breaking up or breaking apart. You understand me? That's how I try to do my things. Watch there, watch the bus. Oh, the horseman in there. Anyway, enjoy themselves, no accidents, please, no accident. Lord, I'm asking to guide and protect them as they continue on their journey. You know, sometimes we as drivers feel like hype sometimes and we do some things, but yeah, we're not supposed to be doing this, but sometimes we just feel like vibes and we just and swing it 2 times. Yeah, but it is not right. Anyway, let me continue on the journey, viewers and subscribers. Because we're outside getting this updates to give to you. You understand me? Yeah. For you to see area of the 1.6 kilometer of roadway that they're actually talking about. Right? I'm not sure how far I reach it, if I complete 1 meter or what. 1 kilometer yet. I mean, but I'm actually going down right now. Same way on the road for you to see. Alright, so got this by city so too. Yeah man, so down here so also damage, you see it? Alright. Damage also. Right. So you have areas along the 1.6 kilometer of road that is actually damaged. As I said before, it's not the entire stretch of 1.6. So please don't run with the 1.6 and say, boy, whole of St. Thomas Road mash up. No, no, right? Because I think it's 4 kilometers of road between the pond and out there. And then they have 1.6, which is more than a quarter of the length of the road. You understand me? So let's not run with the 1.6 and say that the entire 1.6 damage. So more than a quarter of the road will end up damage. No, not like that. All right. Let's continue to join my viewers and my subscribers. For you to see the happenings. Yes, man. Alright. So we're out again, walking it, showing it to you, my viewers and my subscribers. Yeah, man. Alright, so this is the hotel. See it there? And the other day, the owner and the management were complaining about this section out here where they actually put the curb well, for the water to run into his property. And they came back and they put something so the water can channel itself on the road and not going over into his property. Right. So this is the latest updates on this St. Thomas Road that is breaking apart. I'm actually giving to you, my viewers and my subscribers. So it's up by Pamphret. Housing development. I'm not sure if any land over there is still, but it's still out by Pamphret. So see a bad spot down there. So still the earth coming. Have to take it time because this here this is a funeral going. Taking the time on the road, taking the time on the road because the road have some problem. I know everybody want to reach and go and shoot and a shot. So just taking the time on the road, man. Nobody want to wait, you know. Nobody want to wait. Everybody wants to be in the faster than the shutting lane. This section, you can see that this section of road also need to be repaired. Right, so I'm just coming down, showing you the areas that they were talking about. 1.6 kilometer. Understand me? So out here they try to use some concrete, but I'm not sure if this concrete gonna work out. But they're actually trying to use the concrete to see how best it can help solve the problem. See, look what we're going to. Let's call them drive here. So we're going down same way. Have to be careful on this road because driving condition of these people is not how it's supposed to be. You understand me? You have a bad spot down there, so right down there, so everyone have to be careful there, because the whole you're gonna drop down because you have a little break off right down here. Hey man, I tell us driving condition is born easy, you know. Trust me, so easy at all. So this is just for you to have a better understanding of the areas we're actually breaking apart, right? Yeah, so you have some section down more closer to the pan, right? But that's a long way. Just few little more section down that side that is breaking away also. But actually, I won't be going that side, right? I'm just showing you this section, major problem. A major problem. So remember, viewers and subscribers, this is for you to have a better understanding of what really taking place on this section of the road as it relates to you see that the damaged section of the road in St. Thomas, new road in St. Thomas, right? And remember, if you're new here for the first watching this, please go ahead and subscribe now, hit the post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video, right? And if you're already a subscriber, just do the right thing, hit the thumbs up button, share the video, comment on the video, man. So it's the slow, you can see drag mark, you can see the brake mark then, because that section right up there, so you can see it's a little drop off, right? So if you're coming fast and don't know, like, see. Right, so remember, when you come to this section, you have to be careful out here because it is dangerous driving in this area. Whereas if you don't know the area, just come with caution, because actually they are doing some road repair right now, and certain areas is single lane, right? So just try your best to be careful. Please, I'm asking you all, take care on the road, drive with respect, look out for each other on the road, right? Yes. See?